Hi students, in the last video we discussed about key metrics of last mile in quick commerce. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the number of riders required on a particular day and the calculation of active rider count in a week. Let us start with taking certain assumptions. Suppose there is a store that does approximately 1000 orders daily. In this store, average login per rider that we discussed in the last video is 8 hours. Also, order per hour or OPH that the rider can do in the store is 2. Hence, the number of orders that each rider can do in a day is login per rider into OPH, which is 8 into 2 equals to 16. The number of riders needed will be total orders divided by orders done by each rider, which is 1000 divided by 16 equals to 63. Now let us try to understand what is the count of active riders needed in a week. When you plan for rider count, you can't do it on daily basis as it becomes hectic. Hence, rider count planning is usually done on weekly basis. Also, by active riders, I mean total number of unique riders who are active in the system. Definition of active can be different for different companies. For example, some companies consider a rider to be active if he has done more than one order on the platform in the last 7 days. So using the logic that we used in the last slide to calculate the number of riders needed on a particular day, I have calculated riders needed from Monday to Sunday basis the order projections. Order projections is nothing but the estimate of orders that are supposed to come on the basis of various data points and analysis. So as you can see, order projection is highest for Sunday. Hence, the riders needed to work on Sunday are maximum, which is 88. And this was derived using the same logic as in the last slide. Now let us spend some more time to understand the concept of attendance percentage. Attendance percentage is the percentage of riders that come on any given day. Example, if active rider count in any given week is 100 and on an average 78 riders come daily to work, then the attendance percentage is 78%. So assuming attendance percentage is 70%, which means 70% of the total active riders come to work on daily basis. Now we know that on Sunday we need 88 riders and we also know that attendance percentage is 70%. Hence 70% multiplied by total active rider count is 88. So active rider count needed is 88 divided by 70%. Hence in this week my weekly active rider count should be 126. Out of this 126, approximately 70% of riders are expected to come daily to work. What were the key takeaways of this video? We learned calculation of rider count on a particular day, and we also understood calculation of active rider count in a week. In the next video, we'll discuss about offers and incentives in detail. Thank you.